In today's world, encounters with law enforcement can be unpredictable and intimidating. It is crucial to understand and exercise your fundamental rights in these situations. Knowing your rights empowers you to navigate interactions confidently and protect yourself legally. Your rights serve as a shield against potential abuse of authority. Ignorance of your rights is not a defense. Fear can cloud judgment, leading to waiving rights or making harmful statements. Understanding your rights is paramount. Be prepared and informed to assert your rights effectively. Law enforcement officers can make mistakes or act unlawfully. Knowing your rights helps hold them accountable. Your rights are your best defense against misconduct. It's about protecting yourself and ensuring justice. By asserting your rights, you uphold the rule of law and respect for all. When encountering law enforcement, it is essential to begin by clearly stating your intentions. This sets the tone for the interaction and establishes your understanding of the situation. A simple but firm statement such as, "I am exercising my right to remain silent," or "I want to speak to an attorney," immediately conveys your position. Clarity is key when communicating with law enforcement. Avoid using ambiguous language or making statements that could be misconstrued. Direct and unambiguous language leaves no room for interpretation and ensures that your message is received as intended. Remember, your words have power, and stating your intentions clearly from the outset can significantly impact the course of the interaction. By stating your intentions, you also establish a boundary. You are communicating to the officers that you are aware of your rights and are prepared to exercise them. This can help prevent misunderstandings and deter potential attempts to coerce you into waiving your rights. Your assertiveness demonstrates that you are not a passive participant in the encounter, but an individual who understands and will stand up for their rights. Remember, stating your intentions is not about being confrontational. It is about communicating effectively and asserting your rights from the very beginning. A calm and assertive demeanor can go a long way in ensuring that your rights are respected throughout the interaction. Understanding the context of the encounter is crucial for determining which rights are applicable and how to best invoke them. Are you being detained, or are you free to go? Is this a routine traffic stop, or are you suspected of a crime? The answers to these questions will shape your legal strategy. If you wish to remain silent, state, "I'm invoking my right to remain silent." If you want legal representation, say, "I want to speak to an attorney." Do not engage in casual conversation or answer questions beyond providing basic identifying information until your attorney is present. Remember, invoking your rights is not a sign of guilt. It ensures you have legal counsel to guide you through the process. Non-cooperation is a powerful tool for protecting your legal rights during a law enforcement encounter. Once you have invoked your right to remain silent and your right to counsel, it is crucial to maintain your silence and refrain from answering any questions or engaging in any searches without your attorney present. Remember, anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Even seemingly innocent statements can be twisted or taken out of context. By remaining silent, you avoid providing law enforcement with any ammunition that could potentially harm your case. Your silence is your shield, protecting you from self-incrimination. Similarly, refusing to consent to searches of your person, vehicle, or property is essential. Law enforcement officers often rely on consent to conduct searches that might otherwise be illegal. By politely but firmly stating, "I do not consent to this search," you are asserting your Fourth Amendment right against unreasonable searches and seizures. Non-cooperation does not mean being disrespectful or confrontational. It simply means standing your ground and refusing to participate in any activity that could potentially compromise your legal rights. Remember, you have the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, and the right to refuse consent to searches. Exercising these rights is not an admission of guilt. It is an act of self-preservation within the bounds of the law.